Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Mike from Accounting for Cycling. Today we're going to go over something that's not entirely cycling related, but also kind of is, sleep and recovery. So first, we're going to unbox these One More ComfoBuds Z. You can see it's a box with mini headphones in it. Not a whole lot you can say about that, but it is pretty nicely packaged. Looks like it's more than just a gray box or a brown box with nothing in it. So hopefully we got something nice in here. Now, I hope to also do a review on the, I don't even remember what the name of them are, but they're $45 sleep buds, and I've been using them quite a bit, mostly because they work with all sorts of different apps and not just the ones that come with it. Now, the One More, I believe, do have an app, so you can actually use sounds directly from them. I've also been using, over the past about 8 months now, maybe a little longer, been using the Bose Sleep Buds 2. Those work pretty well, for me especially. They block out noise very well, and their biggest drawback is they don't do binaural beats, or are they alpha, beta, and something else waves to help you fall asleep and stay asleep. They work excellently for staying asleep and blocking out things like snoring, or just general noise. But also at $200 to $250, it's a pretty hefty price to pay. They only work with the Bose Sleep app. So these, you're supposed to be able to use their app, or basically just use them as regular headphones too. So I'm pretty excited about that. That's a nice little case. We'll peek into here. Yeah, nothing in there. That's garbage. Of course, a sticker. Ooh. A bear with very large headphones. And this, I'm sure, is for the for warranty purposes. All right. Maybe for the app. One of these has got to be for the app. I'll figure that one out later. We'll continue with the unboxing though. So here, and I shredded that open. We've got a couple of goodies. Got a nice little soft case here for the buds, and a charging cable, which is USB-C, so that'll probably just get thrown into the pile of other USB-C cables I have. Why try open this? I've got a knife. And here are the different size ear hole thingies. I don't know, I usually use the bigger ones because I have large ears. Let's dig into the actual buds. Try to keep it a little bit more organized and have a little more movement on the screen here so I don't have to try and do more in post-production. I'm sure if you've seen my videos before, you probably realize I haven't learned how to do the screen crop in things yet. So if you see that on this, I'm giving myself a pat on the back for that. But that'll be a future me. So nice little buds. These are quite small. Trying to see if I have anything that could possibly be just a normal thing to reference them to. So we'll use these JLab Epic Air Sport Elite, something. There's something like that. I use these for bike rides and runs. So just kind of an over-ear earbud versus this little tiny thing. Could almost fit completely inside of just the earpiece to these. So that's Wow, interesting. A little protective cover to make sure it doesn't, drain the case battery. Hey, we have some movement. A green light. Move these out the way. You can kind of softly see the little indicator lights here. So, yeah, pretty nice little small case. I don't know, maybe in reference to comparison to the Gerber here. Let's kind of throw a couple of different things out here to GoPro to show off the size difference. It's a very little case. Very little case, very little earbuds. They seem well crafted, well built. These ones do not have a microphone in them. First impressions overall pretty nice. We'll see how they stand up in some testing and see if they help me sleep better. All right. Well, thank you for tuning in. If you like this content, please like the video, subscribe to my channel for more, and keep your eyes peeled for this video, others like it, and hopefully back to some more bike stuff here. As you may have noticed from all the shorts on the channel, I started a new job recently and have a commute. I used to use that commute time for videos. We'll be back though. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.